Today, I came up with a vegetable item to look at in the cooking index. We put an item of vigilance dal in cooking every day. We are going to make dal with drumsticks today. A simple dal recipe. The cooking materials: dal, drumsticks, chop the onion, garlic cloves, sea pepper, tomato, cumin, dry chili, the country, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and oil. Wash the dal well. Put it on the stove with enough water and cook the dal for a while. After some time, add cumin powder, turmeric powder and salt and cook for some more time. Now stir the dal and add tomatoes. After some time, add green chillies. Finally, add the drumsticks. Drumsticks is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, potassium and iron. They contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help improve overall health. At this moment, fry cumin seeds, dry chilies, onion and garlic in oil. We will boil with it. Drumsticks can help strengthen immunity, improve digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy skin and hair. Additionally, they may have anti-cancer properties and help protect against some chronic diseases. Fry the onion well and pour it on the hot dal. And shake the dal and mix it well.